Just a little faith, that is all it takes. Standing on God's word.
My name is Everton and I'm looking some help to finish this house and thing to go inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what you said happened to your arm?
Some born with my hand.
Okay, you're born with, okay, alright, don't worry. Jesus loves you, know that, right?
Yes, sir. All the time.
And we'll see what we can do to help you finish up the house, alright?
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
Just a little faith, that is all it takes. Standing on God's word, He makes no mistakes. If you can believe, then you will.
And there was light.
Put your faith in God. Just trust and never doubt. Just a little faith.
God is good all the time.
That is all it takes.
Mr. Everton, welcome to your new home. Everton, Mr. Hallwood, on behalf of the Huntley Brown Foundation, I hand over your door keys of your brand new house to you, sir.
God bless Mr. Huntley Brown and God bless also you, Kim. Huntley Brown Foundation, I feel very, very good and thanks and please, yeah. God bless you all too. For all what you done for me. And God bless a million more times and thank you and thank you a million times. I don't know how to stop to thank you.
If you can believe.